What's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video we're gonna be creating a small website for a real estate agent. If you need a mini website for your Instagram page that will have all links to your social networks, different ways to contact you, opt-in forms and so on, and you have never ever tried to create a website and you don't have any special skills like designing or programming, then consider using Taplink. It's the easiest and the most effective way to create your own mini website in 10-15 minutes. Also, you will be able to edit your mini website right from your mobile phone. Okay, so let's dive in. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is to go to the Taplink website and sign up. You will see this page with a lot of ready-made templates that you can use. If you're not sure how your page should look like, you can use one of those templates. You can easily customize it for your own needs. But in this video, I'm gonna be creating a page from scratch. I need to go right over here and then choose empty template. Yes, you will see this page. So the first thing we need to do is to add information about yourself. As we are creating a website for a real estate agent, not for agency, it means that we are building a personal brand. And in this case, it's essential to add your personal photo to let people know how you look, who you are, to build trust. For this purpose, I'm gonna click on this blank avatar and click on upload image. Then I choose an image I wanna have as my profile picture, adjust it somehow, and then I click on save changes. Now I want to make it bigger and then I click on save changes. Now I want to add some information about myself. So I click on add block and choose text. First, I'm gonna add my first and last name. I choose center alignment and medium headline. Like this, and then I click on save changes. Then I'm gonna add the second text block with some extra information about myself, about what I do, like real estate agent in New York City. And then I again choose center alignment and I choose medium text. And then I click on save changes. Okay, now I wanna add some special offer to catch the potential client's attention. I'm gonna add two links. The first link is going to be a link to my WhatsApp, and I will ask them to answer 7 questions in order to receive a list of properties that will suit them. And the second link is going to be a link to call me and receive a free consultation. So this is going to be my special offer for my potential clients, and I want to show them how I differ from my competitors. So first, I'm going to add text like find your dream home in 7 days, and it's going to be a small headline. And then again, I want to add text block where I ask them to answer those 7 questions. I choose alignment again and click on save changes. Now, as I said, I want to add a link to my WhatsApp. For this purpose, I click on add block and I need to use messaging app block. As you can see, it's available on the pro rate plan. And to be able to use it, I want to activate a 7-day free trial. So I go to show details and click on start a 7-day free trial. And then go right over here and you need to refresh the page. As you can see, now all blocks are available. So I click on messaging app and choose WhatsApp. Then I'm gonna add some link text like answer 7 questions. And then I enter my phone number. And in this field, I can create a message template so people don't have to think what to write. In my case, I'm going to create something like this. Hello, I would like to answer 7 questions to get the list of properties. And then I click on save changes. Alright, as I said, I want to add the second link to my phone to get a free consultation. So I need to click on add block and choose link. Here in action, I should choose call and then enter my phone number and then add a link text. For example, get a consultation for free. And now I want to add some extra text above this link. So I'll click on add block, go to text and type in or just call me, choose center alignment and click on save changes. And then I move it right here. Okay, we've just created a special offer for our potential clients. The next thing I want to add is some information about what I have to offer. In my case, houses. So I'm gonna add images of houses and some information about about these houses. But first, I'm gonna add some headline, choose text, and enter featured listings, choose center alignment, and it'll be small headline. Then I wanna add some extra information about those houses. And after that, I want to add images. This purpose, I need image carousel. It's gonna be 4 slides, so I click on new slide 3 times. And then I click on upload image to upload each image separately. This is the first image, and then I click here and upload the second image. And then I repeat the process for other 2 images. Okay, now we can add some description to each of these images. So there should be some headline and some description. In the headline field, I'm gonna add an address of the house. In the description field, I'm gonna add some extra information about the house. And I will repeat the process for other homes. So I add address in the headline field and some extra information in the description field. Now, if you already have a website, you can make this image carousel clickable. So you need to enable add link and add a link to your website. So here you need to add some text, for example, view details, and here you need to enter your website. And when people click on this button, they will be redirected to a page of your website with this exact house. Also, you can enable automatic slide transition here. And then you should click on Save Changes. Oops, there is some error. Make sure you added a link to your website to every slide, otherwise you'll have the same error. And also make sure to add link text to each image. Okay, now we can click Save Changes. Alright, looks good. The next thing I want to do is to let people know why they should trust me, why they should work with me. I want to add 5 factors or 5 benefits. But first, I'm gonna add a headline like this, why I'm trusted to buy a house. And then I'm gonna use media and text block to add those key factors. The first factor is gonna be about my experience, and then you can add icon to this factor. You can click here and then in search you can type in what you're looking for. In my case, I'm going to add business bag, so I type in bag, for example, and choose this icon and click on apply. Then I want to add new item, like the fact that I found a dream home for over 300 families. And then I want to add an icon again, and I type in home and choose this icon, for example, and click on apply. Then I add new item again. This is gonna be the fact that I have master's degree in law, and add an icon again. And repeat the process for other 2 benefits. And then click Save Changes. Well, this is how it looks like. This icon is a little bit different from others, and if you don't like it, you can change it. You can upload your own icon, just click on it, click here, and then click on image, and here you will be able to add your own icon. But I will keep things like this. Okay, the next thing I want to add is a lead magnet for people who are still not sure whether they wanna work with me or not. It'll be a checklist for home buying. So as usual, I add a headline first, and then I want to add some information about what people should do in order to get that checklist. So I add text again. And then I want to add form. So here in blocks, I need to choose form and payments. And I want to delete the field called full name, and I will use the field email. And in settings, I want to change the button text. I want to have something like get a free checklist. And here, I want to change the message that people will see after filling out the form. And then you should click on Save Changes. Alright, now for those people who still have some questions, I want to add a section with answers to frequently asked questions. So I use a headline again, like always ready to answer your questions. And then I use FAQ block. In the headline field, you need to enter your question, and in the text field, you need to enter an answer to the question. So I'm gonna add questions and answers. The first one is gonna be like this, and then I add answer like this. Then I click on add new item and add the second question and the second answer, and repeat the process for the third question. And then I click on save changes. And the last thing I want to add is my contacts. So I add a headline, contact me. And then I want to add links to my messengers like Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp. So I click on add blog, choose messaging app, choose Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp. And here I type in Facebook Messenger, and then I enter my username. Here I enter WhatsApp and my phone number. You can also add a text message template here, but I will keep it like this and click on Save Changes. And now I want to add a link to my phone and a link to my email. I'm going to click on Add Blog and choose Link. Here in Action, I want to choose Call, enter my phone number, and add a headline like Call Me. Also, I can add a thumbnail. In search, I type in phone and choose an icon that I like, and then I click on Save Changes. And a link to my email. I click on link, choose send email, enter a headline like send email and my email address. And I also want to add a thumbnail, so I type in mail in the search and click on save changes. Okay, this is my contacts. Now I want to add a link to Google Maps with my address. I click on add blog, I choose link. In the headline, I'm gonna enter Google Maps. In the subtitle, I'm gonna add my address. In the website field, I'm gonna add my location in Google Maps. And then I click on save changes. And then I want to add some extra information like I will be glad to see you in my office, and I want to make it small. And then I click on save changes and move it right here. And then I want to add a small delimiter to divide the bottom of the page and other parts of the page. So this is our page. Looks pretty good, right? Now I want to add delimiters between blocks to structure our page to make it look more visually appealing. So I click on add block, choose delimiter, choose this type of delimiter, choose the size of delimiter I want to have, and click on save changes. Then I add a delimiter here between different blocks. Then I want to add a delimiter here. Instead of adding a new block, I can simply duplicate it. I should click on it, then I click on action and duplicate. And then I repeat the process for other delimiters. Okay, that's it. Now I want to change the design on my page. I go to the design tab and choose a template I like. I guess I want to choose this template. I click on view, scroll down, and I'm gonna click on choose. Now, I would like to highlight my special offer, my unique selling proposition, and my lead magnet. So for this purpose, I can use section. The section will allow you to change the background of your blocks. To do this, you should click on any block and then go to the section tab. Here you should click on new section, choose paddings, choose the background color. I want to have the black background for this section, and then I click on save changes. And then you need to expand this section for the blocks you need. And for the lead magnet, I'm gonna click on this block, go to section, click on new section, again choose paddings and the color, and then click on save changes. and then expand the section. So this is it. Now you need to get a link to your page. You should click on publish and type in your username. In my case, it'll be real estate agent, and then you should click on connect. Okay, that's it. This is your taplink page link, and you should copy it and paste it to your Instagram bio or to any social networks you need. Okay, this is our mini website for a real estate agent. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share your thoughts in the comments. Do you like it? Would you like to try it? Or if you have any questions, also let us know in the comments below. We'll make sure to respond to all of them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.